Today we're going to learn how to redact any legal document in CaseCard Studio. Once you have the software open, go ahead and click New Project. Now I'm going to give my project a name. Then I'm going to click New Project. Select the file that you need, click Open. Here I can see my affidavit. I'm going to go through it and look for any PII. I see a couple names, some addresses, some dates, and even a couple of organizations. So the best way to redact this is by clicking AI Document and AI Analysis. Here I can pick any of the PII that I mentioned before that I might need redacted. So I'm going to go through this list of over 30 different types of PII. I'm going to select the ones that I need, and then I'm going to click Next. And then Apply. Here we can see that almost instantly, CaseCard redacted all instances of those PIIs that I was looking for. The names, the addresses, the dates and times. Right now I'm looking at this in edit mode. This is so that I can see through the redactions to make sure everything looks good. If I want to see what it's going to look like on export, I can click preview mode. Now I can see exactly what my document is going to look like once I export it. If I want to see an itemized list of everything that got redacted, I can click Analytics, and I can see all of the things that were redacted from my document. Now that everything looks good, I'm going to click Export, and then I'm going to click Export. Here I can see my exported document. This is now saved onto my computer, and I can send it wherever it needs to go. I have a bunch more documents that I don't want to sit here and use AI on one by one. The best way to do this is by using bulk processing. I can go up here and click this bulk processing icon, and then Document, and then Next. I want to run AI analysis on all of them at once. So I'm going to click this, Next, and then I'm going to detect all that same stuff that I did before. You can customize this however you want. CaseCard has tons of different options on what you can choose. Then Next. Now I'm going to add all the files. Here I need all of these redacted. So I'm going to select all of them, click Open, and here I can see all my files at once. Now I'm going to click Next. And since I think I'm going to use this again, I'm going to save it as a template. And I'm going to name it Legal Documents 1. Now I just click Apply. Here I can see all of my past projects and all of my current projects. I can see that all the documents I just uploaded were redacted instantly. I can see their progress here, how long it took them to redact, what redaction type was being done on them, etc. And here are all my documents. I can go through them one by one, review them, make sure everything looks good. That's the best way to redact legal documents with CaseCard. Hope you enjoyed.